Hi guys, it's Khandie. I'm doing a self-portrait session today. I'm going to do a slight 60s vibe. I've done some terrible makeup, which I'll have to retouch in Photoshop. I just literally lack the skills. So I've set it up and we're ready to go. Just one light overhead. The Godox that I used previously in a video that I'll show here that was really cheap and really good and effective. It's the only one I've got at home because otherwise I have to travel to the studio and I don't want to make unnecessary journeys because we're still in a lockdown. So this is the setup. You can see my camera by the head. There it is. I don't even know why I did this, but I've done it and now I'm sticking with it and it looks great from that angle. It's a really crappy chair. That's actually one of my dresses. Some fabric I found. Hope I can Photoshop this in. Who knows? Let's have a go. So I eventually ditched the chair. I wasn't feeling it. I'm sat on the ground now. It's okay. Get some bushes for some extra clout. It's okay. It's a short video. First things first, when you're shooting with a manual manual camera lens, it is really difficult because you have to run back and forth. Now, you know, you can use your native apps to adjust, but you need to have a prop in there that is pretty much where you're going to be sat. So I used a water bottle on a stand so I could get in and out. But even then I was like, oh, I can't see it. I didn't want to use the app because Nikon have this, now some Nikon cameras you can flip out as with all cameras, but you know, they have this app which works with your mobile phone, which you're like, okay, cool, except you've got to hide your mobile phone, right? And I was like, no, so I get used to a little trigger, but then I'm like, well, I can't see what I'm looking at. So I often set up my mobile phone to act as like a mirror or put a mirror in front, but then I don't like the mirror, and then the mirror can actually reflect some of the light back and it causes all sorts of dramas. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you like the images. I used the Lensbaby Velvet 56, really enjoyed the session, challenging. I'm a bit tired now of doing self-portraits, so I'm desperately trying to come up with new ideas. I hope you like them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you all real soon. Hopefully it'll be less on my face if I'm honest.